Hi, Paul Merriman here from askpaul.ie. In today's video, we're going to take you through life cover. So, the three things to consider. First one is, one, do you need cover? So, when it comes to life insurance, not many people realise that if you are married and you have a mortgage, if one of you are to pass away prematurely, you're going to have a little bit of help from the state. Okay, you're going to get the widow's pension, and with 3 children, that's in around €1,500 a month. You're also going to have your mortgage cleared off because legally you should have a mortgage protection policy in place. So if you are not married and you have children and you're renting, so you don't have a mortgage, you're going to be in a little bit of a difficult financial situation because you'll get zero state support, which obviously is a shame, but we can't do anything about that. What you should be doing is putting in extra life cover for yourselves. And the real reason this is so important is that if you are renting, you don't have a mortgage, you're not going to have a mortgage protection policy. So if somebody was to pass away, maybe the rent won't be able to get paid and you're going to be under financial pressure straight away. That's a really big consideration. And also, as you're not married, you're not going to get the state widow's pension, which means you're down to £1,500 a month there if you have 3 children. So this is a real concern for me. If you're in that bracket, you really need to speak to somebody about getting cover in place. The second point is why you need cover. Cover has to be put in place if you feel you're going to have a financial difficulty. The last thing you want to have in an emergency situation, i.e. if you can't work or somebody passes away, we call that a financial crisis. You don't want to have a financial crisis. So if you feel you might be impacted by not being able to go to work or by losing a maybe important key member of the family that brings in income, you're going to need to put some additional cover in place. 3, where to get cover. The one thing you don't want to do is to go to a bank to get cover because they're tied to one life insurance company. So you're going to need to go speak to a financial advisor. They'll give you the whole research of the market and make sure they get you the right policy. My opinion is that a whole of life contract is the best life cover product in the marketplace. A little bit more expensive, but over the long term makes so much more sense. The least kind of beneficial contract is a decrease in term product, which is what's tied to your mortgage. After that, you're looking at a level term insurance contract. And that's usually level for a specific time, i.e. 10 years or 20 years. But after that 10 or 20 years, in most cases, the cover stops, right? And then you're repriced. So it's really important that you speak to a financial advisor and make sure you have the cover in place that suits you and your own circumstances.